Hello everyone, this is Mamta Aman, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future video. Today we will solve self practice exercise question 2a of second chapter. Chapter name is fraction and decimal of class 7 of new learning composite mathematics textbook. Let's get started. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise 2F questions 1 to 5 of chapter fractions and decimal, second chapter fractions and decimals, and topic is simplification. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1, and question number 1 is simplify and express your answers in simplest form and mixed numbers. First bit is 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 2 divided by 3 division of 1 divided by 6. This expression we have to express this expression in simplest form. First we convert this mixed fraction 1 divided by 4 into an improper fraction, that is 4 denominator multiplied with whole plus numerator divided by denominator, that is the improper fraction. 4 multiplied with 1 plus 1 divided by 4, that is 4 multiplied with 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 divided by 4. This is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction 1 divided by 4. Then multiply with 2 divided by 3 divided by division of 1 divided by 6. Now we multiply these two fractions equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Here 5 and 2 are in numerators and 4 and 3 are in denominators. So the product of numerators is 5 multiplied with 2 divided by 4 multiplied with 3. This is the product of numerators divided by product of denominators. And now we have to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Just multiply with reciprocal of this fraction 1 divided by 6. Multiplied with reciprocal of 1 divided by 6. Then 5 multiplied with 2 divided by 4 multiplied with 3. We cancel this 2 with 4. 2 multiplied with 2 is 4. Now we get 5 divided by 2 multiplied with 3, and 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. Multiplied with reciprocal of 1 by 6. Reciprocal of 1 divided by 6 is 6. That is just inverse, that is just interchange the numerator and denominator, we get the reciprocal of that fraction. So here 1 is in numerator and 6 is in denominator. So we interchange the numerator and denominator, that is 6 divided by 1, and 6 divided by 1 is 6. That is the reciprocal of 1 divided by 6. So 5 divided by 2 multiplied with 3, multiplication is 6. We get 5 multiplied with 6 divided by 2 multiplied with 3, and 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. Just cancel, is 6. So we get 5. Now we get 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 2 divided by 3, division of 1 divided by 6 equal to 5. Now we solve question number second bit B. 1 divided by 2, division of 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 2 divided by 3, that is inside the bracket. 1 divided by 2, division of 1 divided by 4 multiplication of 2 divided by 3, that is inside the bracket. First we convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 1 divided by 2 is multiplication of denominator with whole plus numerator divided by denominator, that is the improper fraction of that mixed fraction. So here denominator 2 multiplied with whole 1 plus numerator 1 divided by denominator 2. We get 2 multiplied with 1 plus 1 divided by 2, and 2 multiplied with 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, division of 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 2 divided by 3. Multiplication of fraction equal to product of numerators divided by denominators. So product of numerators is 1 multiplied with 2, that is product of numerators, and 4 multiplied with 3 is product of denominators. Now we cancel 2 with 4. 2 multiplied with 2 is 4. So we get 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 3. We get 3 divided by 2, division of 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 3. And 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 3 is 1 divided by 6. So we get 3 divided by 2, division of 1 divided by 6. Now we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol, just multiply with reciprocal of that fraction. Now 3 divided by 2, change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. So 3 divided by 2 multiplied with reciprocal of this fraction 1 divided by 6. And reciprocal of 1 divided by 6 is just interchange the numerator and denominator, that is 6 divided by 1. So we get 3 divided by 2 multiplied with 6 divided by 1, and 6 divided by 1 is 6. So we get 3 multiplied with 6 divided by 2. Now we cancel 2 with 6. 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. Now we get 3 multiplied with 3, and 3 multiplied with 3 is 9. So we get 1 divided by 2, division of 1 divided by 4, multiplication with 2 divided by 3, that is inside the bracket, equal to 9. 9 is in simplified form, simplest form. Now we solve question number third bit C. 16 division of 1 divided by 4, division of 4. First we change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. So multiply with reciprocal of that fraction. So we get 16 division of 1 divided by 4, multiply division of 4 equal to 16 multiplication of reciprocal of 1 divided by 4, reciprocal of this fraction. When we change this division symbol into multiplication, we have to multiply with the fraction, multiply with the reciprocal of that fraction. So 16 multiply with reciprocal of 1 divided by 4, division of 4. And reciprocal of 1 divided by 4 is just interchange the numerator and denominator, that is 16 multiplied with 4. 4 divided by 1. 4 divided by 1 is the reciprocal of 1 divided by 4, and 4 divided by 1 is 4. Reciprocal of 1 divided by 4 is 4. 16 multiplied with 4, and division of 4 is, we have to interchange this division symbol into multiplication symbol, just multiply with reciprocal of 4. And reciprocal of 4 is 1 divided by 4. interchange the numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of 4 divided by 1. So reciprocal of 4 divided by 1 is 1 divided by 4. Now we get 16 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 is the reciprocal of 4. Now product of numerators is 16 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 1 divided by 4. Now we cancel 4 with 4. So we get 16 multiplied with 1, that is equal to 16. Now we get 16 division of 1 divided by 4 divided by 4 equal to 16, and 16 is in simplest form. Now we solve question number 4, fourth bit D. 5 divided by 8 division of 3 multiplication with 6. Now we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Just multiply with the reciprocal of that fraction. 5 divided by 8 division of 3 multiplication of 6 is 5 divided by 8 multiplication with reciprocal of 3. We change this division symbol into multiplication. Just multiply with reciprocal of this number 3. Reciprocal of 3 multiplied with 6. And reciprocal of 3 is 1 divided by 3. Interchange the numerator and denominator. Reciprocal of 3 divided by 1 is 1 divided by 3. Now we get 5 divided by 8 multiplied with 1 divided by 3 multiplication with 6. Now product of numerators is 5 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 6, and product of denominator is 8 multiplied with 3. Now we cancel 8 and 6 with 2. 2 multiplied with 3 is 6, and 2 multiplied with 4 is 8. Now get 5 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 3, that is 5 multiplied with 3, and product of denominators is 4 multiplied with 3. Now we cancel 3 in numerator and denominator. So we get 5 divided by 4, and 5 divided by 4 is in improper fraction. Now we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. As in question, we have to express the answer in simplest form and mixed numbers. So 5 divided by 4 is in improper fraction. So we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Just divide the divisor, this 4, with the dividend 5. And we know 4 multiplied with 1 plus 1 is 5. 4 multiplied with 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 1 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So we get 4. Now we get 5 divided by 4 equal to 1. 1 divided by 4. And 1 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder, divided by divisor 4. So we get 5 divided by 8 division of 3 multiplied with 6 equal to 1. 1 divided by 4. Now we solve question number 5th bit E. 3 divided by 8 multiplied with 3 minus 1 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 3. And we have to express this We have to simplify this expression in the simplest form or mixed fraction. 3 divided by 8 multiplied with 3 minus 1 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 3 equal to, first we multiply this fraction with multiply this fraction equal to product of numerators divided by denominators. Here 3 multiplied with 3 product of numerators divided by denominators, 9 divided by 8, and 9 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 3. Now subtract this fraction. 9 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 8 is 9 minus 1 divided by 8. 9 minus 1 divided by 8 is 8 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 3. 8 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 3 is 8 divided by 8 is 1 plus 2 divided by 3. 1 is 3. 1 is 3 divided by 3. We can write 1 as 3 divided by 3 is 3 is in denominator. So equal the denominators. So 1 is 3 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. And we get 3 plus 2. Now we add this fraction with like fraction. This is the like fraction as denominators are equal. So 3 plus 2 is in numerator divided by denominator 3. Denominators are equal. So 3 plus 2 divided by 3 is 5 divided by 3. And 5 divided by 3 is an improper fraction. We convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. That is, just divide the divisor 3 with the dividend 5. We know 5 equal to 1 multiplied with 3 plus 2. 1 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder divided by divisor 3. 1 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder and 3 is the divisor. 5 divided by 3 equal to 1, 2 divided by 3, and 1, 2 divided by 3 is a mixed fraction. Now we get 3 divided by 8 multiplied with 3 minus 1 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 3 equal to 1, 2 divided by 3. And 1, 2 divided by 3 is in mixed fraction, that is in simplest form, mixed fraction. Now we solve question number FB. 6, 1 divided by 4, division of 5 divided by 8, division of 1 divided by 2 plus 1. This is the expression and we have to simplify this expression. First we convert this mixed fraction 6, 1 divided by 4 into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator with whole. Denominator is 4. 4 multiplied with whole 6 plus numerator 1. 6 multiplied with 4 plus 1 divided by 4. And 4 multiplied with 6 plus 1 is 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 divided by 4. And 25 divided by 4 is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction 6, 1 divided by 4. And division of 5 divided by 8, division of 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Now we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Just multiply with reciprocal of this fraction 5 divided by 8. So 25 divided by 4 multiplied with reciprocal of 5 divided by 8. Multiplied with, we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Just multiply with reciprocal of 1 divided by 2 plus 1. and reciprocal of 5 divided by 8 is just interchange the numerator and denominator. So 25 divided by 4 multiplied with reciprocal of 5 divided by 8 is 8 divided by 5. 8 divided by 5 is the reciprocal of 5 divided by 8, and reciprocal of 1 divided by 2 is 2 divided by 1, that is 2. Reciprocal of 1 divided by 2 is 2. 2 plus 1. So now multiplying this fraction equal to product of numerator is 25 multiplied with 8 multiplied with 2 divided by product of denominator is 4 multiplied with 5. Now we cancel 5 with 25. 5 multiplied with 5 is 25, and cancel 4 with 8, that is 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. So we get 5 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, that is in product of numerators, divided by 1 plus 1, and 5 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 is 20. 20 divided by 1 is 20. 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1 is 21. Now we get 6 1 divided by 6 1 divided by 4, division of 5 divided by 8, division of 1 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 21, and 21 is in simplest form. Now solve question number G bit. G 1 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 7, division of 12 7 divided by 12 minus 11 1 divided by 3, and that is inside the bracket. First we convert this mixed fraction 1 1 divided by 4 into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator 4 with whole 1 plus numerator 1 divided by denominator 4. So 4 multiplied with 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 divided by 4, and 5 divided by 4 is an improper fraction of this mixed fraction 1 1 divided by 4. Multiplied with 7, division of 12. Now convert this mixed fraction inside the bracket. 12 7 divided by 12 is multiplication of denominator 12 with whole 12 plus numerator 7. So 12 multiplied with 12 is 144. 12 multiplied with 12 plus 7 divided by 12. 12 is the denominator and 12 is the whole and 7 is the numerator. Denominator multiplied with whole plus numerator. 12 multiplied with 12 plus 7 divided by denominator. Now 12 multiplied with 12 is 144, and 144 plus 7 is 151 divided by 12. That is the mixed improper fraction of this mixed fraction 12 7 divided by 12. Now we convert this 11 1 divided by 3. This is an improper fraction. We convert this mixed fraction 11 1 divided by 3 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert this mixed fraction 11 1 divided by 3 into an improper fraction. So multiply the denominator 3 with whole 11 plus numerator 1 divided by denominator 3. Now 3 multiplied with 11 plus 1 is 33 plus 1 is 34. 34 divided by 3, and 34 divided by 3 is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction 11 1 divided by 3. Now we get 5 divided by 4 multiplied with 7, division of 151 divided by 12 minus 34 divided by 3, and 151 divided by 12 minus 34 divided by 3, that is inside the bracket. First we subtract this fraction, that is inside the bracket. First we take the LCM of this denominator 12 and 3. LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. Write down 12 in denominator. Now we divide the 12 LCM 12 with the denominator 12. of this first fraction 151 divided by 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1 and multiply 1 with 151, that is numerator 151 we get. Now divide the LCM 12 with the denominator of this second fraction 34 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Multiply 4 with the numerator 34. That is 34 multiplied with 4 and 34 multiplied with 4 is 136. Now we get 151 minus 136 divided by 12. And 151 minus 136 divided by 12 is 15 divided by 12. Now we get 35 divided by 4. 35 divided by 4 division of 15 divided by 12. Now we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. So just multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction 15 divided by 12. And reciprocal of 15 divided by 12 is just interchange the numerator and denominator, that is reciprocal of 15 divided by 12 is 12 will be 12 divided by 15. Now we get 35 divided by 4 multiplied with 12 divided by 15. Now we cancel 35 divided by 4 multiplied with 12 divided by 15 is equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So 35 multiplied with 12 is product of numerators divided by denominator. Product of denominator is 4 multiplied with 15. Now we cancel 4 with 12, that is 4 multiplied with 12 is 3, and cancel 15 with 35, that is with 5. 5 multiplied with 7 is 35 and 5 multiplied with 3 is 15. So we get 7 multiplied with 3 in numerator divided by denominator is 3. So 7 multiplied with 3 divided by 3 is 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And 7 is in simplest form. So we get 1 divided by 4 multiplication with 7 division of 12 7 divided by 12 minus 11 1 divided by 3, and 12 7 divided by 12 minus 1 minus 11 1 divided by 3 equal to 7, and 7 is in simplest form. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.